quick sewing video today where I'm going to be showing you how to put thread onto a bobbin. So once again, it's really simple when you know what you're doing. You just need your thread that goes on there. You're then going to grab your thread and place it around this bit of metal. And you're going to drag it back over to here and fit it through your bobbin. Once that's done, it should look a little something like this. You're then going to move this along so it's just a click. Turn on the light for your sewing machine, and rather than moving the needle, this is going to be spinning round. So you then just want to grab the end of your thread so that it doesn't fly out and press down on the pedal.